my God. I have never seen such god-awful earnings for such a hyped-up stock in my entire life. At this point, if you still think I'm wrong that Tesla is a massive, insane, hype bubble cloud stock, if you still believe I am wrong, I don't know what to tell you. After we view these earnings that just dropped today, I want you to justify why Tesla is selling at a $770 billion market capitalization. I'm just so tired of this stock. I've called everything. And guess what? The stock won't die. So let's talk about the earnings. Tesla just dropped their Q3 2023 earnings, and the stock is down about 5% today. Still, it's at a $770 billion market cap, which is absolutely hilarious. So let's go ahead and just skim through the earnings. So here's the Q3 2023 update. Profitability, 7.6% operating margin. Oh my God. Let's compare that to Ford. So Ford, the dying clown company, has a slightly lower operating margin at roughly 5.5%. It looks like 5, 3, 1, 7, roughly 5%. Let's look at General Motors. That pop-up's annoying. 6%, 6%, 8%. Let's look at Toyota Motors operating margin. Oh my God, 10, 6, 9, 6, 6, 5, 10. It looks like Tesla's operating margin is approaching other car companies. Maybe Tesla is just another operating margin, or another car company. And you can see that the operating margin overall is massively dipping. It went up briefly because Tesla was hyped. Everybody wanted a Tesla. Tesla sold for very high prices. And now that Teslas are starting to lose their luster, they can't sell them for as much, so they have to cut prices. This is horrible operating margin. They still have positive net income. That's great. And they still have operating cash flow. That's great. Now, let's go look at the numbers. And I cannot believe how bad this is. This is freaking awful. Total automotive revenues year over year have increased 5%. 5 mother effing percent. Tesla is supposed to be a company that, according to Clown Elon Muskrat, is going to grow their revenues, deliveries, whatever, at 50%. They just cut their prices massively. They keep cutting their prices over and over and over again. And they could still only grow their automotive revenues 5% year over year. Now, energy storage revenue is up 40% year over year, but it's a small part of the pie. Look at Tesla's automotive revenues as a percentage of their total revenues. It's what, 85%? It's a car company, okay? Oh my, this is so bad. Gross profit has gone down by negative 22%. Gross margin is 17.9%. Look, it's dropping every single quarter. It's going down and down and down. Now, if Tesla can only grow their revenues at 5% for their cars, they're going to have to keep slashing prices. And what's that going to do to their margins? They're going to keep dropping. This is approaching other car companies. Let's look at Toyota's gross margin. Oh my God, it's higher than Tesla's. Guys, I don't know what to tell you people anymore. You can't even say the revenue growth is good. It's not. Total revenue only grew 9%. Automotive, which is the vast majority, is 5%. This is god-awful. Every single metric for Tesla is bad. Operating cash flow is down by negative 35%. Just god-awful. Now, total revenue grew 9%. Why? Growth in vehicle deliveries, growth in other parts of the business, reduced average selling price, they're cutting prices, and then some foreign exchange impacts. Strong dollar, international revenues, blah, 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 blah. There's nothing more I can say about this company, okay? I mean, look at the production. So even production of Model 3s and Model Ys, it's only up 20%. So their production is up 20%. Their automotive revenues are up 5%. Deliveries are up 29%. This is when you actually recognize revenue. but actual revenue is only up 5%. This is such a clown show and a joke at this point. I don't know what to tell you. The only reason this company has not crashed is because of stupid Wall Street hype. Oh, it's the future, bro, garbage. It's AI. It's an AI company. Elon Musk is playing games, okay? He's playing stupid little games with you. He's showing you a stupid robot. He's showing you a crappy Cybertruck that you have to, it's made of stainless steel. Looks like death. That's it. That's the only thing propping this stock up. I've been calling this over and over. And here's the audacity of these people. For 2023, this is Elon Musk, we expect to remain ahead of the long-term 50% CAGR with over 1.8 million vehicles for the year. I'm sick of talking about this stock, okay? Everything I've said has happened. Margins have collapsed. Revenue growth rate has massively slowed down. Elon Musk continues to fluff you and give you BS. And still, the stock won't die. It's a joke. It's a massive joke. Okay, it should not be 240. It should be like $50. Well, that's my Tesla analysis. Go watch Solving the Money Problem, and he'll tell you it's the future, bro, with a 5% revenue growth for automotive. That's really incredible for a massive growth company. 5%, that's a big number. 5, it's bigger than 3. All right, talk to you later. Cheers. Check out the pinned comment below and join our Discord community where you can ask me questions directly via text. And if you sign up for the highest tier, you can actually meet me in person every 2 weeks. So check out the pinned comment, join the Discord community, and let's make some money.